In this video, we're going to go ahead and take our assembled container, or at least the base and the top, and we're going to place it on a drawing sheet with our title block. So let's go ahead and do that. Design, drawing from design. I'm going to place it on the one that I've made before, and then click OK. Now we're going to place the view. That front view should be the correct one. Make it a little bit bigger and click OK here. And I'm going to project a top view and a 3D view. And I always like to shade my isometric 3D view over there. Now I'm going to put a section view for the right side here. So section view. Select this parent view and draw a line straight through the middle. We'll go ahead and put a section view over here. So let's start with some overall dimensions first, and then we'll get into the ones that are more important. So I'm going to overall dimension this from side to side, proving that it's a little less than what I want. So 4.25 there, the overall height in this position, and the depth when it's all the way together. So we'll move those a little bit away from the part. The next couple of dimensions are the really important ones. One thing I want to see is I want to see that there's some lip clearance here, right? That I can see that the top is going to fit on the base and have a little bit of clearance on it. So I'm going to go ahead and click this line and then this line, and it happens to be 0.05, which is great. And we're going to go ahead and put it over here. And I'm going to rename that. I'm actually going to hit Shift and Enter on my keyboard and type in lip clearance. And maybe move it to the other side so it's not in the way there. There we go. So I have that lip clearance here. So what's the most important one? That lip clearance is very important, so it looks good. But the most important one is right here. We're going to dimension. We see we zoom way in. And we're going to see that we're going to have this dimension, which is the clearance that we want, or the offset that we want here. So I'm going to do both sides to prove that it's on both sides. It's lined up perfectly. You notice that it's 0, and that's okay. Hit Escape and change the precision. 3 digits after the decimal, and there is our 0.002 clearance. Now you have your title block that you need.